Here's 20 rounds rapid fire with the Kadet today. The first two 5-round strings weren't very good, but was able to calm down and do okay. That last shot in the 7 ring is what killed me on the first string. But second string, I think I had a couple of 8s. Let's see here. There's one of them. There's a 9. So anyway, the last 2 strings though, same target. Pretty good. Except for that 8. That one was good. And I think this next string is also pretty good. But 10, 10, 10. Yep, that was good. Overall, good day with the Kadet.